fun game. Let's play this game. Start. What is step recorder? Do you have a PC? How do you organize your files? Name different types of computers. Miss a turn. What you can draw in Paint 3D? What is the best thing about computers? What is the best thing about computers? Name 2 functions of toolbars in Paint 3D. What is your favorite software? Move back 3 spaces. Is mobile a computer? Do you think your data is safe on your computer? Define program. Go back to start. What is Scratch? What is data? Can you live without computers? Move ahead 3 spaces. How many versions are there of MS Office? Move 1 step ahead. Miss a turn. Who is the father of computer? Do you like the subject it? Define PowerPoint. Go back 1 step. Do you know a lot about computers? Roll a dice with your friends and wait for your turn to answer the game. Answer, do it yourself.